We are down at Pennywell Farm. We come for a day out. I've got this one with me. Good Jack. Good Jack.
Please stop holding.
No, why are you Ow!
Please.
Oh! Yeah, I stuck you in the ball. That was
No.
You're like the Men in Black, all three of you. 1, 2, 3, and Hanya. What is going on? Well, it's called Men in Black. It's a film, actually.
Can I hold this? I want to film you.
You want to film me? Let go. Well, that's my safety strap. That is.
And then it's going to film me. Going to film.
Oh, I don't want to know. How
I was in
much?
17s.
Was you?
Yeah, 17-11.
Is that good or bad?
That's good. So we are just walking in. Got Angela Favre with us.
Hi.
She never gets left out. Oh, Angela Favre. But you could have been at home putting the washing away.
Super Ted. Super Ted. Super Ted. Super Ted. Super Ted.
Well, then what?
Okay, so we are in. Nick's got the food and the blankets to hold the little babies. So exciting. What have we got in here?
He's just standing all over his mate.
There's rabbits.
Look, he's just standing all over his mate.
Oh, what is that? A tall toy?
I thought they were way slower. Can I pick it up?
No, you can't. I don't think there's any rabbits in there, Bells, to be honest.
Luckily, we brought the mule with us.
So she can hold everything. Guinea pigs.
Say your next activity in 5 minutes' time in the farmyard. Really, really exciting. Bottle feeding, first one of the day.
Bottle feeding.
As well. Really, really great activity. Please.
More guinea pigs. I'm not sure. I take that as a no. Oh. Oh, they're beautiful.
Yeah, how that rabbit get up there?
I don't know, maybe it jumps. Wowza. Lots of guinea pigs.
Look, what's my crumb?
Oh.
Mom, can we get rid of my hamster and get a rabbit?
No.
I want to see it jump.
What have we got here?
Look at that blue, that yellow thing.
Yeah.
That's a scratcher. So when they get itchy,
They
just
can
run
scratch
up to you and
themselves.
scratch themselves.
Little baby goat. Oh, hello, babies. Hello. Are you stroking them?
Yeah, look at this.
Look how rock hard they are though.
Oh,
I don't want to get round
look.
He likes being scratched here. Hey.
Oh.
We need one of you, don't we?
No, we don't.
Okay.
Are they trying to get you quavers? He's trying to get Oliver's quavers.
Bless him. Hello.
Whoa, it's hard. It feels so weird.
It's Pawnee. Hello. Got horses.
Look at the size.
Oh, that is mahoosive.
That turns up and It's a bit weird though, they just stand there, they side eye
They're asleep. They sleep standing up.
you. Oh, he sneaks.
Oh, look. Hello. Oh, I can hear food rustling. God, I want one of that. I want that one. Hello. Hello. I haven't got any food.
Mom, look how baby these are.
I know.
that a baby?
I would have said so. Oh, look at their little legs. Hello. Oh, Bells, these ones, look. These ones are feeding left out. It's an alpaca.
Yeah, look at his teeth though. He's got like proper human ones. I like their hair and all.
Why is it going down?
Are you allowed to stroke them?
Yeah, Nick was.
Oh, they're so fluffy. Oh, he's got a bottle. How did he get a bottle?
So this little one.
Oh, look, he's got little black feet. Nick, what are you feeding?
Your mother.
Oh. No, just no.
No, Nick, that's
No, it's disgusting, mate. Oh, look! Oh!
Hey, they're starving in there.
There!
Look, they're like fucking organics. Come here, Mealy. He's got milk all up his face.
Does Tanya want to go?
They're kind of awkward.
Oh, you're still. Yeah. Sorry. You're alright.
Yeah, just remember, as soon as your bottle's empty, take it out of the goat's mouth.
What if like none get? What if like one singular goat doesn't get one?
Yeah, of course they do. They're just greedy. Oh, look. Oh, no. Bells, take that out. Take it out.
It's gone.
You bully, what a bully.
Come here.
Look, oh, what a sod.
I don't like that one.
That one's greedy.
He's been going around doing it with all of them.
No, my bottle's empty. Sorry. That's all of it. It's empty. Oh my god. My bottle's empty.
No, look, he's doing it again, look.
Oh, yeah, look.
He's doing it again.
Because he thinks he's a big one. Got some ferrets.
I want that.
Well, you want a ferret?
Yeah.
Can you? Well, you ain't coming next time. What? She wants a ferret now.
Oh, the ferrets are really spiteful.
Yeah, that would be getting
Come
more than
see a
Yeah.
donkey with me.
Mate, they're like, eeyore.
Yeah, eel.
Sama.
Wow.
Oh, they're rock hard as well.
Do you stroke it? No. They're eating straw.
My God, there is a mahoosive.
They're eating straw.
That's alright, that's probably what they eat. Hello. What are these?
Ponies, you idiot.
Yeah, but they're miniature something. Oh, look at a bird. Hello. Don't know why they do that. Like, whatever they do. Bells has found herself a little brush. Oh, it's backing up. Back up, boys, Shui and Mealy and Anya.
You should have run.
Nick, what have we told you about having random kick on that?
Go on, Jack, get on.
Get on. Ride the oxen. He doesn't know how to drive that. Yeah. He can't do it. And he says.
You good boy. Go on. Oh, you got to pay for it.
Yeah, can you-
No, I haven't got £1.
Nah, I don't have
Because you've done it so many times, I think.
Oh god, is she coming?
She's coming. Oh, well done, Mealy. Whoa, Hanya, please be careful. Hanya's fit as a fid. Quick, quick, quick. Oh, she's not even using the rope. Have you had it, Bells?
Oh, my gosh.
Well done, Hanya. Hanya is the winner.
She done that.
I don't know. We're going to that thing. Oh God. You ready, Ted? Yeah, are you excited? Okay. Okay.
What's down there?
I think we go down there after.
Why?
I'm not sure. I'm sweating. We made it.
Oh, yeah.
Is it over?
Yeah.
Right.
Don't put me.
I'm not going to drop you, don't worry.
Wow, wait.
Right, you got to hold on.
Wow, wait,
Shall we go to Mum and...
Up and down. Okay. Let's go down there.
Huh? We can go down there.
Yeah?
Yeah? But just please be careful.
Why?
Just in case. It says it's slippy, so you've got to go down the stairs like very nice and slow. Why have I got a point in coming down just for you to see him? Hold on to the rope. Nice and slowly. Yeah, we're in the woods now.
Why?
Look, come.
It's walking.
Go on then. Where do you want to go?
In there.
Okay, go on.
Wood.
Maybe we'll see animals on our way.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Yeah, right. You must start kill it.
You're going to kill the monster?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay.
Oh, animal.
Animal, let's go. Look, go down there. Sugar, I just got hit by a leaf. Look. Oh, you stuck a stick. Look.
Hey, animals.
Don't touch what? Don't touch fence, please. Animals. Look, it's got horns on its face. Animal. Hey, Ted. Wait up.
Pikachu ready for you today.
God's sake.
And
you're in my ear
that you guys cheer, the faster.
Yeah, I know, but not you, the kids.
Are we ready for our first race?
I don't even know where the pigs are. The pigs
Okay.
are there at the end over
Now,
there.
we start pig racing a little differently here at Pennywell. It'd be a bit boring to just say 3, 2, 1, go. So instead, we say 3, 2, 1, and then everybody has to shout pig off as loudly as possible. So our piggies down at the start line know it's time to run the race. So, are we all ready? Are our pigs ready? Okay, we have the thumbs up. In 3, 2, 1, pig off. So who's it going to
Well
be?
done, Anne.
It's a close one to
Pipe
start
down.
between Pocahontas and Boulder's Knot.
Right.
As they head towards the tyre, they're taking a clear lead. So it's going to be between Boulder's Knot and Pocahontas.
Oh, they're over there, Ted. Look.
Just a little bit slow.
They're going to come round.
Sorry, Hanya. Cuddling you.
Here they come,
Now they
Ted.
head round the corner, they're heading
Oh, look, there's
towards
little ones
Ponytail.
over there.
Who's it going to be between Boulder's Knot and Pocahontas?
Oh,
They
look.
come round the corner, cheer really loudly as they head on past you. Boulder's Knot is just taking the lead at the moment, with Pocahontas just
Where's the
behind.
other two?
Somewhere in the distance we have Mel Pixel and Pikachu taking it slowly.
Here they come. Oh, look.
That was a win for Boulder's Knot today.
Go away. Go away.
A bully beefy one. Oh, look at Hanya's one.
Oh no, it's so
He's so bubby. Oi, get away. You've had enough. Feed the one at the end, Ted. Your mate. Yum, 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 yum. Come a minute. Because he's only little. Got a little one. Look, Ted.
Have you got the baby food?
Good boy. Mind your fingers. Good boy. I know.
I've never known. What?
The plastic bag.
No. What? It's going to spit it out, right?
No. He's at it. Oh, look at the bubbies, Ted. Oh,
Pregnant.
a pregnant piggy.
Rather
Go on then,
you.
baby. Surprise pregnant, Roger aren't pregnant.
They're boys.
I know.
Come on, you know the coo.
Man, that's what our
Yeah, but not here. Hello. Hello. So cute, aren't they? Oh, Mum's had enough. That's enough, babies.
Am I allowed to stroke it?
I doubt it.
They look so clean. I want to stroke the little ones. And me.
Oh, they're so beautiful.
Hi, Wendy.
No, his name's not Reggie.
This one's from, like, from Moana.
Hello.
Moana.
Hello.
Piglet.
Oh, mind your shoes, Ted. They might eat your shoe. Kev?
Stop wiping it on me. Bells, you wait in line. I'll be back. You excited to hold the pigs? Hanya? Me too. Yeah? How excited are you, Mealy? I'm 10. You? You're 10. Okay.
Actually, I'm 100.
100, okay.
Oh, me too.
I've got a pig.
I've got a rabbit. Wait, let me show them.
Hanya?
Your one looks like it's got mascara on.
I've named mine Cloudy. Sleep. That's what you do to make them feel strong.
Right. I want to hold a rabbit next.
Properly.
So I've got a mouse. So cute. Am I going to get rabies if it...
No.
What are babies?
It's
Did he show you a guinea pig? Their tail is so long. They're so small.
So I got on. Ted's going to go right at the back. Pelsy's going to go on in here.
Oh, I don't like this.
Why? Oh, how exciting. Am I going to fit in this?
Can you fit in? Do it.
Am I in? Oh, I'm in. What's happening?
Oh.
I don't know how I'm going to get out of this.
I think the mouse will do it for you.
Little tubby thing. Woo! We're going on a tractor ride. 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! And we're off. And that little bumpy tractor ride. What? What, be camera? Off we go. Oh, it's a bit bumpy. Oh, the good job I don't need a wee. Is that good, Ted? Yeah? What we going?
You all together.
What we going on, Tedders? We're going on a big tractor. Are we?
Oh, this is so exciting, Ted.
some tractor things. I think you're going to have to sit down, baby.
Why?
Because...
Let me hold it.
Alright, hang on. Put it on yourself though and no one else. Tell everyone what we're doing.
Tractor ride.
We're going on a tractor ride.
No.
Just on you. Come round. That's a good boy. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Yeah.
How about do it?
Yeah, so you don't drop it. You're going, Ted. Sit down, baby. Ted.
Oh no,
Sit down.
Why?
Sit down. Whoa! Whoa! Hold my hand, Ted. Hold my hand too.
I'm white.
Oh, what? He's brave. No, Ted. Hold it tight.
Like this?
Yep, no, on you. On you. Good afternoon, beautiful people.
Oh look!
Oh, fox.
It's a fox!
Don't really see them in Devon, do we?
I saw one the other night actually.
I don't put it in the garden anyway.
Fox. Yeah, that's for a real one.
What is that, Ted?
A birdie.
That is a, I'm not sure what animal that
A
was.
mole.
A mole. Sorry.
I think that's supposed to be reindeer. Well, that is the end of our day out. We're back off home now. Bells has got a party tonight. So she's got to get home, tart herself up, ready for our party. And yeah, so we've had a lovely day. The weather's been really nice. So yeah, peace out.